instructions here. And it looks like you make the brood box first. This is the top. Don't need that. This, I think, is the bottom. Is it not?
Mm-hmm.
And this is for the flow frame box. Don't need that yet.
That's for one box.
Yep, that's the brood box. The other pieces must be in there. According to this, I need 1 3/4 screws. Just want to make sure I get the right ones. 1 3/4. That's where the nails are for the brood box, so this must be the one here. So I've just got the screws sitting in there, and I'm going to tighten those up. And the first screw started. I need to be able to pull this together. Alright, looks nice and square here. Sort of. I'm just going to make sure I'm staying square. I'll get back to you once I get a little further with this. So Ann is over there putting together these brood frames. There's really nothing to them. A little bit of glue, a little bit of glue. Putting glue on the ends. Should just slide in together. If not, some of them you have to pound them a little bit with a hammer. Some of them are tight. And there's the little nails right there. There's a nail goes in here, 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 and here. Probably be nice if somebody would hold that for you, right?
That's quite all right. Done.
Almost. Almost done.
Almost.
So there's that little strip to guide the bees. Get them a little bit of a start. And that goes in the top. You don't need a lot of glue. Very little bit to get it to stay in there. again, that's from the top. And I am done with this brood box for now. So the back part of this box goes together the same as what the other box did. So I'll get back to you when I'm done that. So everything is screwed together, and it says to put a spacer in between here just to make sure this is going to slide out, but it doesn't look like I'm going to need it. There's 18-inch space on each side, so really not going to make a difference. These holes are not pre-drilled. Just going in a little ways with that. That would be these two. Says to take the protective coating off of both sides and put the window in. Fingerprints on it. Ready? No fingerprints. These are not pre-drilled, but they're very short. In. So I got one knob on there already. These are wooden, so I don't really care if I stain over top of them as well. Screws are countersunk in there. And you might have to tighten it from the back just a little bit. Go. This little board goes in there. These little knobs are going to have to get coated anyway, so they're going on already. And look at that. Got a whole bunch ready already. This will be the last one. Goes right into the brood box. There we go. And that's our starter box right there. And they gave us 2 extras. That one and the other one. Doing it around my top base here. Use this box here, it'll keep everything nice and square. And nothing is pre-drilled yet. I just did all this off camera. I ended up having to drill these holes out because I didn't want to split this wood. The screws are going in there very hard. This is out of alignment a little bit right here, but you're supposed to have the top level here and the bottom. Kind of have to lift it up and hold it in place while you drill it. Check to see if roof base is square. Very, very square. It's the roof.
I'll hold it when you drill.
Wow.
Just kidding.
Once I get this top centered, then the rest should fall into place. So I'm just going to make sure I'm centered here on both sides. The holes are centered here. I'm not quite tighten that up yet. Give me enough room to get the other ones underneath.
I can't believe you MudRFunR.
I can't believe it either. And the roof is done. Still very much square. Perfect. Look at that. So, day 3. So I'm going to do the rest of it, and I'll get back to you when I do the rest of it.